me help you both up.
Oh, thank you so much. We are so grateful.
Welcome, please come in. We can help with that.
Thank you, son. You're too kind.
We're very grateful. Here you go. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you so much, dear. It smells wonderful.
It really does. Delicious.
Thank you so